What's up, everybody? I've got another Bible I want to show you guys. This is a rebind from a relatively new Bible rebinder to the craft. This beautiful NASB Bible is from TRACE LUTTERINGER at Berean Bible Repair. This Bible is an NASB large print ultra thin reference Bible in a blue solely goat skin. It has this beautiful black lambskin liner. You see the interior gilt line he added. This is some amazing work, guys. Let's start with this spine. Look at this spine work. The tooled ribs, the beautiful imprinted words. Here is Trace's trademark at Berean Bible Repair. He also has a lot of great work on this cover. There's some tooling going around the perimeter. Really nice tool line. That is not the easiest to do. You see it going there in the shadow. He also has a red perimeter stitching, and this perimeter stitching is some tiny stitching. It's not easy to do. Those lines are nice and crisp and straight. That is not easy to do. And I'll go ahead and say right off the bat, Trace is following in the footsteps of Diego Coloca Jr. Diego, I think you inspired Trace to get into rebinding, and his style and skill honestly reflect on you really well, my friend. This is some really premium craftsmanship, and I'm very, very impressed. I want to show these corners off a little bit. Take a look at that. Is that not unbelievable work? Now, keep in mind, Trace has only been rebinding. This is not even his 80th rebind. This is not even his 80th rebind. And this is some amazing work. Those are just the front two corners. That is unbelievable. And the gilt line is nice and crisp and straight, symmetrical. I'm big on lines. I like the lines to be crisp and clean. I like what Trace did here on the tab. He actually cut this tab down shorter so that when the edition is closed, it's not so pronounced on the outside of the cover. He used textured cardstock for his end sheets, which I love that. I think that's the best end sheet material you can use. Now, this edition is an NASB large print ultra thin reference Bible, and it has the presentation page and legacy pages. Then you have your title page, and then the publication page on the back side of the title page. You can see it's a 2013 printing. The 2013 printing had a creamier paper, and it was only a 28 GSM paper, where in 2017 they upped the GSM to a 30 GSM, but the paper was really stark white. It almost had like a blue tinge. Well, this edition has the 2013 text, or the 2013 printing, so it has more of that creamier color paper. Now, a nice feature that Trace added was this red under gold art gilt. It's really nice, and you can see that the color scheme for this Bible is blue, red, and gold. Now, we've named this Bible, he's named this Bible the Superman Bible. As we flip through, again, you can see the beautiful red. I want to show this really well because this is a really, I want to show this really well because this is a really great feature. I love that he used leather for those head and tail bands, and it just goes so well. The color combination with the ribbons is a great idea. Not using too much blue, going with more red on the interior was a great idea. He just knocked it out of the park with this thing. So as we continue to turn, this edition, just so if you're unaware, is a black letter edition. And then you have a concordance at the end of the text, and you have some maps on some glossy cardstock. Then you have some white cardstock sheets at the end. And there's your black textured cardstock end sheet with that beautiful black lambskin. I'm in love with this lambskin. I really am. This lambskin is probably one of my favorite leathers now. And again, the continuation of that beautiful symmetrical gilt line on the interior of the cover. And let me show you the back corners. Look at that beautiful work. That's some amazing corner work right there. Diego would be very proud to know that he has inspired such amazing craftsmanship. So that's some great work there. Great work. And Trace, you should be very excited with your progress, brother. You have got a tremendous talent. To have less than 80 rebinds under your belt and you're producing quality this good is that's extremely talented, and you have a definite future in rebinding if you chose to do that. I'm really looking forward to seeing what comes out of Berean Bible Repair Shop in the coming future. The future looks very bright. So thank you guys for watching. And if you like the content, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't, give me a thumbs down. If you like the content on the channel, consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload new videos. And as always, thanks for watching. God bless.